Hi, welcome to MDM4U, Mathematics of Data Management. I'm excited to have you here. In this course, we'll explore how math helps us understand the world through data and how that data helps us make smart, ethical decisions. You'll learn to collect, analyze, and interpret data to solve problems in real-world contexts like marketing, healthcare, psychology, sports, politics, and more. Whether you're heading to university or just curious about how the world works, this course will sharpen your thinking and build your data confidence. One of the best parts of this course? It's fully asynchronous, which means you choose when and where you learn. You'll move through interactive lessons, videos, and creative assignments at your own pace. It's flexible learning built around your schedule. Your grade is based on the Ontario Growing Success Model. Term work is worth 70%, with the rest divided between a final exam and a culminating project for 15% each. Each task is designed to assess knowledge, thinking, communication, and application. Let's start with a big question. How can data reinforce or challenge fairness? You'll explore topics to discover how statistics can be used or misused, like bias in media, misleading graphs, ethical data use, and how data helps shape public decisions. You'll be using powerful tools to support your learning. Various interactives, cloud labs for virtual simulations, a custom video assignment planner to guide your work. Everything is built right into Moodle to help you stay organized. Each tool helps you test ideas, build confidence, and apply your learning in creative ways. This course also supports your growth in learning skills like collaboration, initiative, and independent work skills that matter just as much as math. You'll find spotlights and tips built throughout your lessons. You'll always know what's expected. Every lesson includes clear learning goals and success criteria. You'll also have checkpoints and reflection tools to track your progress and build your portfolio. To begin, head to Unit 1, Lesson 1, and complete your first interactive video. You'll also take part in a short activity to share your goals and learning preferences. This isn't just another math course. It's your chance to explore real data, solve real problems, and become a confident decision maker. Let's make data meaningful together.